Well, Jeff and I survived the coastal flooding over here in Ocean City. We're on our way home, and I got to choose an antique. Well, Jeff said I could go anywhere I wanted to go, honestly, but I said I just want one antique mall, and I chose Antique Alley of Bridgeville. So here we are back again where the infamous Burger King dress appeared. We are on our way out of the storm and into the antiquing. Here we go. Man, look at the
curve.
Hit me in the face.
It's been a while.
I like it.
What are we looking at in there?
The lady in the you're like zoomed all the way out. Can you see it? The lady in the womb, kind of. It's like really interesting with all the hair tray.
Look at the icicle baby. This is the pinnacle of snow babies here. Yeah. Look at the snow baby for every season here.
Oh, and of course the one thing I want to see in this case is the one thing with the tag turned over.
What is it?
The hand-painted cameo, the 800 silver one. It's amazing. It's the one thing where the tag's turned over. Look at this one.
What is it?
Look at that giant rhinestone flower pin. That's fun. I don't think it's as old as I want it, but it's really neat.
Oh, this one
It's
here.
like that big. Yeah, I think the 800 silver one. Nice micro. Oh, there's 2 micros in here. Yeah, so I'm gonna get the key for these.
There's the one.
Yeah, the guitar as well as the little flower. Now I love look at the Christmas tree with the mink fur in it. That's pretty hilarious. And the little butterfly pin, that's pretty fantastic. I like the articulated lion. But the cameo, the jelly belly bird is awesome, but it's missing a stone. The cameo and the micros. And then look, they have the butterfly wing bracelet. You see the one with the palm trees on it? It looks like those are all butterfly wings underneath.
I don't see it.
This is the second bracelet in.
Oh, this thing.
It's sneaky.
What did you say it is?
Butterfly wings. Yes. Murano. Look at the Murano fish and bird. Those are amazing. That's really amazing. It's a beautiful bowl as well with the Latticino work.
Oh, I do like the bowl.
Yeah, those are all gonna come with us. This is really fun. This is such a good place. Oh my gosh. Really nice wave crest in there too.
What's a wave crest?
That antique dresser box that doesn't even look antique because it's so clean.
Oh wow.
It's insane. It's like 1800s. Cool. I'm gonna get a key. This is so much fun. Love this place.
Oh. Merry Christmas, everybody.
That's fantastic.
Jeff's spot here.
That was a good call. Which comes with the pumpkin too. That's fun. The bee box. I'm not a big Lennox person, but those are all really neat.
Butterfly wing box.
And then these are really crazy. Oh my gosh, I didn't even see those. Those are mercury glass candles.
Oh yeah.
You don't actually light them, obviously, but those are really crazy. And that's only, oh my gosh, those are $24. That's insane. Yeah, there's like 10 things in this tray. Oh, this is so fun.
This is #1 contender for Jeff's most hated item at the antique mall today. We'll see if anything else can bump it out of the spot. Bombi.
Thank you. And then can I see the two? I'll take that. And then can I see the 2 micro mosaics and the Christmas tree? I can't believe you just saw that and I didn't.
It's flowery.
Jeff, that's like an amazing designer piece.
$15 or something.
Yeah, that's like a crazy designer piece. I've never even seen... this is only the second one I've ever seen. Like, that's crazy. That's such a good find. I can't believe you saw that. Yeah, it does look like it would have a lighter in it. That makes sense. That's
like one of those
really
cylinder
fun.
lighters. What's the Burger King lady?
I love her. She's great stuff. Hi, Burger King lady. Oh, she's got the best stuff. She had this amazing Burger King 1970s uniform dress.
Oh, goodness.
And I got stuck in the bathroom in it for like a good 20 minutes trying to put it on. I almost bought it, but it was so hard to zip by myself because it went up so high. She was the best vintage clothes. Oh, love her booth. And she's probably watching us right now. This is a fun dress. Dude, yeah. Now
That's the hardest I'll laugh out loud today, guys.
I love this dress. I love this coat. Look at these bracelet sleeves. I mean, come on. It's so fun. Is that the hardest you're gonna laugh all day?
Look,
and she's
to
got
be determined.
She's got the fun dice earrings and daisies. She's got the best style. Look. I mean, come on.
I'm looking. Yeah, I'm looking.
Strawberries, cherries. Pretty vintage. Very fun. Oh, big metal enamel flower. What'd you put on my... Look at this Buster Brown balloon.
Inflator?
Yeah, that is
It's
so
like a party
cool.
inflator, yeah.
That is so cool.
Buster Brown.
Yeah, that's amazing. Creative balloon, Buster Brown.
There's some funky stuff in here.
Yeah, no, there's definitely some funky stuff in here. And the original ones are so expensive that I'd rather have one. This is the most Jeff and Kate thing ever. The poodle. Oh my gosh. This is different. It's very strange.
Look how perky her boobs are.
I wasn't gonna say it, but you want to see something? Cloisonne snail.
Oh, it is cool. I like it. I think snails are fun.
Yeah.
It has like a fun face too. Look at its little face.
Cloisonne snail. That's really neat.
What do they want for it?
$24. I think that one could go either way.
You ready for cozy sweater weather?
Always, Jeff. We got some nice ones in there. We'll come back around that way.
Interesting.
It's got some fun stuff hidden in here, though. Nice mix. I like the one piece of Murano Millefiore in there. What's the red dots mean? 75 though. There's a lot going on in here.
I see a copy of Anne of Green Gables over there.
Anne of Green Gables.
Fetch a pretty penny, yeah.
Well, that's a nice find. $10. Nice old jewelry casket. It's been redone on the lining, but that's a nice one.
Might end up in the basket. What do you got there?
Meal-a-seal.
Kate, I think it's pronounced seal a meal.
Yeah.
Spooky?
Yeah, it's a little bit.
Oh, we had one of these growing up. That
What?
windmill thing.
Oh yeah.
What is that
I
thing?
feel
Is
like
it
I heard it's
Dutch thing or something. We had one of them growing up, and when we were really bored, we would play with it around holiday time. Other than that. Kate, you said this was creepy. Now that is creepy.
No, that's what I was saying was creepy.
Oh
The weird
my
baby thing
God,
is really freaking
yeah.
me out. That's cool. What is that? Medlock's pottery? Sweet tooth molar. That's so neat. $25 though.
Oh, Kate.
Yes. Those are really pretty.
The yellow ones?
Yeah,
Or
the ones with the
the
two
light color
tones?
ones?
Yeah.
No.
I don't know why. We're gonna see if they're expensive if I like it.
What's going on here, huh? Cat extravaganza.
So many cats. It's not on the list though, and I don't see any other cats that have
This guy's intense here.
Yeah, that
He don't
one's
play.
kind of scary. Yeah, Dorothy Kendall style. Cocktail pretzel sticks. Look at the graphic on that. That's so happy. And I like the tin toy duck. He's fun. Jeff's taken a liking to the big hen.
Yeah, chubby hen.
Chubby hen. Hen house.
It's cool.
Do you need a hen, Jeff?
It's got a little friend.
I do like the polka dotted one.
That's what I'm saying. Look how they had him sitting there too. He was like poking out. So he's just poking and watching.
I think if anybody's watching, it's him.
Oh my. See something?
Looks like a little Whiting and Davis wallet, maybe. Whiting and Davis 35. Some fun glasses. Nothing really crazy. I was looking at the purses, but nothing completely wild. Yeah, and all these are more like 40s, 50s. I'm looking for more like early. Earlier.
I don't.
It's a little kittle.
Little Kittle.
It's a little kittle.
For those of you who don't know, that's one of Kate's nicknames.
Yeah. Friendship Club edition. Jeff, I'm gonna make you a snow baby scene.
This one especially. Whistle while you work.
Now this is fun down here. There's some fun frogs. The, what is this, Andrus?
Toby Toad?
Toby Toad. The sugar and creamer. It's got a couple chips. But then the frogs in the band. A lot of the Japanese, they're single shakers, so that's kind of weird. A lot of like frog figurines, like made in Japan, or things playing instruments, anthropomorphic, made in Japan, that are playing instruments. I'm assuming it's a woman. Maybe that's a little
Presumptuous?
yeah. Oh, look at this barrel of love. That's cute.
It's pretty good.
That's like an original thing, though. That's cute. That's German, actually. That's really neat. That's cool.
Kate's a sucker for a barrel of love. Yeah, there.
What is this? Weisel artist signed. Dude. That is phenomenal. That is incredible. This is like one of the coolest things I've ever seen. I have to know. Can I see it?
Kate's got something here she likes. I don't know what it is yet. It's this thing apparently. Crown cat.
Jeff. This is like one of the best ones I've ever seen in real life.
Crown kitty.
It's got a chip. That sucks. These are amazing. Never seen that one in real life.
Kate likes that thing. I like this thing. But I don't know what it is. Drop it on her head.
That's really good
Daddy
too,
Boodle.
but that's... Oh, I should get that. I feel like stupid not to, but I'm...
Okay.
Look at the bag. These are fantastic. You never see the deer one. Bumby.
A little dough.
Yeah, this is a fun antique mall. I've never seen this cat. Not really seeing it. This is pretty. This looks... it's missing parts. There you go. Some survival stuff.
Some excitement for Jeff.
Some survival stuff mixed in with the vanity.
Yeah, probably not.
This is a really nice Victorian pin. It's only $3. It's missing a stone though. Okay.
What do you got?
Well, there's a couple nice Murano pieces in here. They're all kind of like at retail, but I think the coolest thing ever is this sterling cap bracelet.
It's not bad.
It's awesome.
I like that. Starfish. It's like the most difficult item in the mall to get off the shelf. Just let it like
This thing reminds me of me.
Oh, the red thing? Yeah.
The Bloomingdale's girl.
Yeah, it's pretty rough. You're not rough, kid.
I know I'm not, but the cat eye glasses, the red coat with the fur, the bracelets.
The disorganization. Yeah. What do you got there, kid?
I need a key because
Oh, it's a
look,
micro mosaic box?
and really nice one, 22, and it's orange.
Ooh, for Halloween, kinda.
So the orange is always desirable. And we're about to check out, but before we do, I told Jeff, I knew everyone was going to ask about the mercury candles, so we went back to grab them. We found some great stuff and had a great time, and now we are headed across the bridge. See you guys next time.